Guys, please don't throw your garbage in the campfire pits. It ruins it for cooking on burnt plastic and shit. Got real nice out all of a sudden. So stacking it like this, make sure you still have airflow going in, right? And if you crumple up your paper, it burns hotter, I've been told. Holds more heat inside. So you want like some bigger sticks, and then you lay your kindling over that. And you just keep repeating that as you build it up. Now, since we did build our fire up before I took enough time to build it up, it should light fairly easy. I have pine needles and cardboard here in a roll. It started from one start, slowly but surely. We'll let that burn down a little, and we'll cook some sausages. Sometime later, I'll give a tour of my little homemade cabin. There we go. Got some hot coals, got some jalapeno cheddar sausage and some tortillas. To be honest, like when it burned just a little bit, you know, when it sears just a little. I actually burnt that just a little bit, but not too bad. I'm still gonna eat it. So the other night, my friend said he never cooked on a campfire with a stick before. I was like, that's crazy, man. We cooked the brats, and then he rolled up in a tortilla like this, and he stuck it back on the stick and toasted it. And I said, that's crazy. Like, I never thought about doing that before. So we're gonna try that too. We're gonna take it easy though, and not burn this, not burn this part. That looks pretty good. We'll cook another one later. This is a good way to cook them too, if you're patient enough. Put a log or something behind it. I put that weight right there. And I can go about my business and come back and it'll be nice and cooked, nice and slow cooked. Okay, thanks for watching if you did. I'm gonna start putting some music up soon too, so see you later maybe.